Clearwater's sunny weather and beautiful coastal environment make it a dream location for homeowners who love bright, airy spaces. To maximize natural light and enhance the beauty of your home, energy-efficient bay windows are an excellent choice. Not only do they create stunning architectural appeal, but they also improve energy efficiency, making your home more comfortable and cost-effective in Clearwater's warm and humid climate. Here's why energy-efficient bay windows are the perfect addition to your Clearwater home and how they can enhance your living experience. Captures Clearwater's natural light. Bay windows are designed to bring in abundant sunlight, brightening up your home and connecting your indoor spaces to the outdoors. These large, 3-panel windows extend outward from the home, offering panoramic views and creating an open, inviting atmosphere. Benefits of natural light. Brighter rooms. Bay windows flood your interior with sunlight, reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day. Showcase views. Perfect for Clearwater's scenic surroundings, bay windows allow you to enjoy outdoor beauty from the comfort of your home. Cozy ambiance. The increased natural light creates a warm and welcoming environment, ideal for family gatherings or quiet relaxation. Energy-efficient bay windows bring sunshine into your home while keeping excessive heat out. Enhances energy efficiency. Clearwater's sunny weather means your home is often exposed to intense heat. Without proper insulation, traditional windows can make it challenging to keep your indoor spaces cool. Energy-efficient bay windows are designed to minimize heat transfer and keep your home comfortable year-round. Energy-efficient features. Insulated glass panes. Double or triple pane glass filled with argon or krypton gas provides excellent thermal insulation. Low E coatings. Low emissivity coatings reflect heat and block UV rays while allowing natural light to enter, reducing the strain on your air conditioning. Weather-tight seals. Proper installation ensures a tight seal, preventing air leaks and maintaining consistent indoor temperatures. With these features, energy-efficient bay windows help lower your cooling costs and reduce your carbon footprint. Reduces UV damage. While natural sunlight brightens your home, prolonged exposure to UV rays can fade furniture, flooring, and decor. Energy-efficient bay windows are equipped to protect your interiors without sacrificing light. UV protection benefits. Low E glass blocks up to 99% of harmful UV rays, preserving the color and quality of your furnishings. Natural light balance lets in sunlight without excessive heat or glare, maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Long-term durability protects interior surfaces, extending the lifespan of your home's decor. By reducing UV exposure, bay windows help maintain the beauty and integrity of your living spaces. Creates additional space. Bay windows add both visual and functional space to your Clearwater home. The outward projection creates a cozy nook that can be used for seating, storage, or decorative displays. Space-enhancing benefits. Seating areas. Add a window seat for a relaxing spot to enjoy the view, read, or unwind. Storage opportunities. Use the additional space for built-in storage or shelves to keep your home organized. Decorative touches. Display plants, art, or other decorative items to personalize your space. This versatile design feature enhances the usability and charm of your home. Improves ventilation. Many energy-efficient bay windows come with operable side panels, allowing fresh air to flow through your home. This is especially beneficial in Clearwater, where proper ventilation helps reduce indoor humidity and improve air quality. Ventilation benefits. Cross breeze. Open the side windows to create airflow, reducing reliance on air conditioning. Customizable options. Choose window styles like casement or double hung for optimal ventilation and ease of use. Healthier environment. Improved airflow helps maintain a fresh and comfortable indoor atmosphere. Energy-efficient bay windows keep your home cool and breezy while maintaining energy savings. Adds curb appeal. Bay windows are an architectural focal point that instantly elevates the exterior appearance of your Clearwater home. Their timeless design and customizable features make them a standout addition to any property. Curb appeal benefits. Elegant design. The 3-panel configuration adds depth and dimension to your home's facade. Versatile styles. Choose from a range of materials, colors, and finishes to complement your home's architecture. Increased home value. Energy-efficient bay windows are a sought-after feature that enhances your property's resale value. Installing bay windows not only beautifies your home but also makes it more attractive to potential buyers. Stands up to coastal weather. Living in Clearwater means dealing with high humidity, salt air, and occasional tropical storms. Energy-efficient bay windows are designed to withstand these conditions while maintaining their functionality and appearance. Durability features. Weather-resistant frames. Materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum resist corrosion and warping. Impact-resistant glass. Hurricane-rated options protect your home during storm season. Professional installation. Ensures a secure fit and long-lasting performance in Clearwater's coastal environment. Durable and low maintenance, energy-efficient bay windows are built to thrive in Clearwater's challenging climate. Conclusion. Energy-efficient bay windows are an excellent investment for Clearwater homeowners looking to enhance their home's aesthetics, comfort, and functionality. From capturing natural light and improving ventilation to lowering energy costs and standing up to coastal weather, these windows offer a perfect blend of beauty and performance. If you're ready to upgrade your home with energy-efficient bay windows, contact a trusted window professional in Clearwater today. With expert guidance and installation, you can transform your living space into a bright, comfortable, and stylish retreat that's perfect for sunny Florida living.